All right, so now with those very simple 5 tutorials that we've done, you can start to lay stuff out in InDesign, and that's what we're going to look at here. So I already have the text already kind of set up for you. We just need it to be the right size. We need to bring in this image. We need to type in this text, and we need to put these gray bars at the top and the bottom. Right, so that's what we're going to do. Now it doesn't need to be identical to mine, just close. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to draw a box roughly around the shape that I have. Again, it doesn't need to be identical. To place the image in there, it's either Command D or File Place. I'm going to use Command D. Select the house, do OK. Let's see, do I like that? I'm going to make it a little bit bigger because, right, that's what I want you to be able to do. Right, so a little bit bigger inside of that. I'm going to pull this text right underneath it, and I'm just going to stretch it all the way to the outside, so it's close. We're going to type this word colorful houses. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to change it to the typeface DIN, right? So that's just going up here to the top. I'm going to type in DIN. If you're doing this at home and you don't have DIN, just change it to something else. I just want you to be able to see how to do this. And we're going to make it bigger. We're going to use the shortcut Command-Shift and the right bracket key, right? And it jumps this and it makes it bigger. Perfect. So you're going to drop it down a little bit. Now the next thing is we're just going to draw these boxes. So we're going to get the rectangular frame tool. Right, and one way to do it is to drag it right over top. See, that's looking good. Pull it back up to the top. Now, we're going to make this a gray. So from my black color, I'm just going to change it to 50%. You can make it any color you want. And then I'm going to Option drag this all the way down to the bottom. So if you want to see everything and you want to see it without lines, without borders, if you hit the W key, it makes it go into preview mode. Okay, so there you have it. There's the same kind of setup done over here. Knowing just a handful of things in InDesign, you can start laying stuff out.